Hello, everybody. These days, I saw some people are asking about Jenkins with the private repository, how we can arrange it. So I want to give the example about the one projects with how to use private repository with your using the Jenkins plugins. So first of all, we can start at the new item starting, write anything, examples, extract some things, whatever you want to do that. After that, click the freestyle project, and after click the OK button. We can again write the description about whatever we can write it. I will write it again, the example step 1 or step definitions, whatever you want. And after that, click the first GitHub project button. So it will open the project URL. You will select your own GitHub repositories. You should go there. And after that, select the repositories and find whatever you want to click and example of which repository you want to use it. It should be private repository. First of all, you will be carefully. It doesn't need the SSH or any token with the public repository. So I will find anything else, select one public, private, Salimavin. I select the one Salimavin Mac, my repositories. So I will click the code button and find the HTTPS link and copy again to our project URL select. And again, we will go to the source code management and give again the Git repositories link. In the same, I will copy paste this. It is important that we should be careful when we can arrange the credentials. We firstly look at which previous credentials we can use. Some of them it is the same, but if I want to specific using tokens, we should arrange the add button and click the Jenkins. So we will not change anything in this area. We will use our username with the password. What is this username and password? I will show it. First, the username we will give. This is our GitHub profile username. Like I can use the Gmail addresses where I can put the GitHub repositories. And give the password. It is important situation in this area. It's very careful if you should that. We will go to our settings and down back the developer settings and arrange the personal access tokens and classic tokens. It should be, otherwise some beta tokens it doesn't work. Generate new token with the classic again, and it will ask to us our GitHub password again. We will give it, give any name, example token, whatever you want to do that. Expiration date, it will be at different times. You can give it to 7 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, or custom any dates. If you will use only one times, it is important that if you can give the small days, it will be good. But I will use all times, so click the no expiration. And only one, we can click the all repo scopes. And when we can push to generate token, it will give us to one link. So we will copy this link and paste to our password places. And that's all that. So you will see if we can push the anywhere in this area, it will nothing to that. So we will click this, and it is the second important that this branch specifier. So we should look at where is the R Selamavic. So my branch is main. So I should select the main or right. And after that, finally, I will invoke top level Maven targets I will arrange. You must arrange your version before. So I arranged before Maven. I wrote it the name. So write the clean install and apply and save that. So it is accepted. This is the it's accepted by the Jenkins. You can use your private repository with this token always. Thank you very much for listening to me.